If you watched yesterday's video, you probably realized that I was working on multiple bowls at the same time. This is the story of two of those bowls. I had several segmented rings and things lying around that I wanted to make bowls from, and these are two small bowls that I ended up making. They were just made from random bits and scraps I had lying around, so that's why they're kind of like Frankenstein bowls. Have a bunch of different woods in them. I glued the rings to waste blocks so I could flatten one side and then glue it to the base. I started roughing the outside of a bowl, and unfortunately I turned away the area that was actually glued to the waste block and it popped off. No problem, I'll just glue it back on. So while that dried, I started on the other bowl, roughed the outside. Some nice color in this one with the walnut and some oak. Unfortunately I had a large crack in it, so I filled that with CA glue and then went back to the other bowl. Again, this one had a few cracks and gaps I needed to fill with CA. So while that dried, I went back to the other bowl, turned the inside, and of course that left a gap, so I needed to fill that with CA. So while that dried, I went back to the other bowl, started the inside of that one, and once again, had a hole I needed to fill. Went back to the other bowl, sanded it up to 600 grit. Didn't look too bad, including the repair. Just cut it off with the saw and sanded off the bottom. Repeated this step for the other bowl. Of course, once I put the finish on, it really brought out the color. These turned out really nice.